Good morning. Today is Saturday, September 26th. I'm going to start pouring a cement pad for the bus today. On my back here. Got my cement in here, cement bags. And here's my cement pad form for the bus. Might not have enough gravel, so I know I don't have enough gravel, but we're going to form this here. This is where the back wheels sit. Got my rebar in there, so we're going to pour cement right here, and then I'll be able to dock here with my bus, and it's going to get better and better. And the fun begins. All my cement. And Jennifer is helping us. I come dump it, and then she spreads it in the hole. Getting there. Well, we're getting there. It's half a day just to make this. It's a lot of work. Well, we just got to finish the cement and then we'll be done. And there it is, all done. The main part's done. That's where the back wheels sit. So that's done. So I'm going to use some crushed rock to fill in the back and the front here. And then I'll pour a thin layer of cement later on. Enough for one day. That took a day to do that. After a hard day's work, now we're gonna have a steak. Time for good steak on the grill. Ooh.